Touchdown, Davao. The King City of the South. As their tagline says, life is here. The Life is Here logo shows the 5 things Davao is famous for. The mighty Philippine Eagle, the highest peak in the Philippines, Mount Apo, their 11 ethnic tribes, their popular fruit durian, and an orchid called Waling Waling, which is the queen of Philippine flowers.
Saan nakatira si Duterte, kuya?
Dun sa
area?
Dunya Luisa na pwede mo natin madaanan kung laga ka tayo. Dunya Luisa yung pisan, open siya subdivision.
From Davao International Airport, we went straight to Samal Ferry Wharf going to Samal Island. It is only 30 minutes away from the airport. The one-way ticket going to Samal Island costs 20 pesos. The ferry ride going to Samal Island takes 15 minutes only.
And we're here! We took a bo'o-bo'o ride from the port going to our hotel, which is like a tricycle but slightly bigger.
Island hopping ba? Pero dalawang choice yun.
Our hotel and resort of choice, Club Samal. It is one of the prime resorts in Samal Island. Hi everyone! We're here in Club Samal in Samal Island, Davao. We just arrived here in Samal Island quite early, and unfortunately we were not allowed to check in early. That's why we ate our early lunch first. And when we asked again the front desk, they said that we can check in early, but we have to pay extra. Which is okay. At least makakapag-ayos kami before swimming. Okay, let's have a room tour. First would be the toilet. One of the most important parts of a resort or a hotel. And ito yung mga toiletries. Okay. And this is quite timely kasi wala kami nadalang toothpaste. So it will be usable today for us. The toilet is quite big. One of the things na maganda sa toilet and bath is malaki siya so that you can move easily. By the way, this is, what do you call this room, babe?
A deluxe king room.
A deluxe king room. This is roughly 6,300 per night. We paid that amount. And as mentioned, we paid extra 300 pesos so that we could check in early today. Ito yung phone. Tapos mga remote controls for the TV and the cable, tapos aircon. Tapos may saksakan dito sa may headboard. The drawer, and hindi ko mabuksan. So sa drawer lang yan. Tapos may isang chair dito. This drawer. Oh, the blower is here. Very usable for my wife later. Gamitin niya yan. Tapos TV. Medyo malaki yung TV. Tapos, ito muna, cabinet. Yan. or closet. Yan. Wooden hangers, complimentary slippers, disposable. Tapos vault. Yeah, I think we won't use the vault na kasi wala naman kami ilalagay. By the way, overnight stay lang kami dito. So we'll check out tomorrow at 12 noon. Standard checkout time is at 12. Yan. Bottled water, complimentary. Tapos mga coffee, tea, sugar, cups, mugs, electric kettle. Tapos andito yung mga numbers to contact, housekeeping, etc. They also have room service, which is until what time, babe?
Until 10 p.m.
Until 10 p.m. Yan, nandito yan. Ito. Mini fridge. Yan, importante yan. Yan, may mga drinks or canned drinks. Nandito yung mga prices naman. Yan, tapos may dito, lamp. Tapos, dito na tayo sa exciting part. Nakita na namin kanina to eh. So we'll show you this one. Come here, babe. Look at that. So I think yung aming room is located sa pinaka-center ng pool area. As you can see, parang ganito kita. The pool is so nice. It's, according to the front desk, it's 4 feet lang. So kaya natin yan. Then, across the pool area, just a few walks away, you will see the
White Beach.
White Beach. Linigo din kami dyan. What can we say? Sobrang ganda itong Club Samal. It's a perfect choice to have a nice getaway. Away from the city kasi this one is parang 30 minutes away from the city ba? Itong
About, yes.
About roughly that one. Tapos may mga chairs lang dito, babe. Yan. And yung sabitan ng damit. Yan. Okay? So nice. Ayan. Grabe. Sulit. Sulit ang gasto. Sulit ang pagod going here. Ang ganda. Okay, so we have a king size bed. Let's check. Ayan. Very nice yung mga linens na nilagay. I think we'll have a relaxing sleep here later. Right, babe?
Yes!
We had a serene and relaxing stay. Even slept on the beach.
We opted to have room service for our dinner, which is available until 10 p.m. Their food are delicious. Before leaving the island, we had breakfast in the resort's restaurant. Their freshly baked pandesal is to die for. We are definitely recommending Club Samal as your place to stay while in Samal Island.